Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Today our topic is soil conservation. Conservation means preservation and protection. Preservation and protection of something. Soil conservation. Soil conservation is an effort by humans to prevent or reduce soil erosion. Is an effort by humans to prevent or reduce soil erosion and to maintain soil fertility, or prevention of soil erosion is also called conservation of soil. Prevention of soil erosion is also called conservation of soil. Soil conservation is an effort by humans to prevent or reduce soil erosion and to maintain soil fertility, or prevention of soil erosion is also called conservation of soil. The soil erosion can be prevented by the following ways, and these are: number first is afforestation. Afforestation, the act or process of establishing a forest, especially the act or process of establishing a forest, especially on land not previously forested. Afforestation, the act or process of establishing a forest, especially on land not previously forested. Planting trees in hilly areas. Planting trees in hilly areas are most effective for conservation. Number first. Number second, crop rotation. Crop rotation, the practice of growing different crops in succession. The practice of growing different crops in succession. Succession means in sequence. On the same land, chiefly to preserve the productive capacity of the soil. Crop rotation helps the soil to regain the lost minerals. Crop rotation helps the soil to regain lost minerals. Number third is terrace farming. In hilly areas, farming is done by cutting steps. Farming is done by cutting steps on the slopes of the hills. On the slopes of the hills, this slows down the flow of water, slows down the flow of water and soil removed from one step is deposited on the next step. Thus, the soil is never completely lost. This is terrace farming. Number fourth is building dams. Dams are built to prevent floods. Built to prevent floods, which not only damage the crops but also washes away the top soil. Number fifth is shelter belts. They cover up plants and trees around the field. They cover of plants and trees around the fields also breaks the speed of strong winds and prevent the soil from being blown away and prevents the soil from being blown away. Shelter belts, they cover of plants and trees around the fields, also breaks the speed of strong winds and prevents the soil from being blown away. Number six is embankments. Embankments are raised structure. A raised structure along the bank of river along the bank of a river can protect fields from the floods. These embankments prevent the fast overflowing rivers. Prevent the fast overflowing rivers and rainwater from washing away and rainwater from washing away a huge amount of rich fertile soil. Number 7 is Van Mahotsav. Van Mahotsav, it is an annual tree planting festival. Annual tree planting festival started by the government of India. The aim of this program is to create aim of this program is to create awareness about the need for conservation of forest and soil. Van Mahotsav, it is an annual tree planting festival started by the government of India. The aim of this program is to create awareness about the need for conservation of forest and soil. Thank you.